Welcome back to Explore Error. We'll guide you on how to share internet from a PC to a mobile and Windows 11. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is very helpful when you have an internet connection on your PC and want to share it with a mobile phone, whether it's yours or someone else's. We'll go step by step. To get started, open Settings. You can click the Windows Start button and select Settings from the pinned apps, or you can search for Settings at the top and click on it. After that, find Network and Internet and click on it. Before moving ahead, make sure your PC has a Wi-Fi adapter. Some motherboards have it built in, or you can buy a Wi-Fi adapter online if needed. Now scroll down and find Mobile Hotspot, then click on it. Before turning it on, first choose where you want to share your internet connection from. Click the drop-down and select your connection, for example, Ethernet. Then choose how you want to share it. You can select Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, but Wi-Fi is recommended. You will also see the network name and password in the Properties section. You will need this information to connect your mobile. After checking that, turn on the switch at the top to enable the mobile hotspot. Now go to your mobile phone. It can be an Android or an iPhone, it doesn't matter. On Android, swipe up and open Settings, then go to Connections and tap on Wi-Fi. On an iPhone, open Settings from the home screen and tap on Wi-Fi. Find the network name shown on your PC, enter the password, and press Connect. That's it. Your mobile is now connected and you can use the internet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. Till then, take care. Bye.